Parking here is actually really good. I'm here on a Friday morning, so as you can tell, it is empty. I am parked there. The reason I'm parked there is because there's a path that goes up there, and that's my hand, up around there, around the back, and there's a load of like cliffs and kind of coves back there, and there's a path that essentially leads from down there, and it's like the, what's it called, the Welsh coastal path. Pretty sure this is it. As you can see, it's down there, right there, oh, hand, and then it goes up there. Basically, it just sticks to the coast. Look at this. Unbelievable. I don't believe it. I don't know if you can see it here, but just to jump in here. So at the time, I didn't realise that those were the stairs, the actual stairs leading to the church doors. I only realised once I saw the yellow sign that you see in a moment. So am I dumb for not doing more research? Yes. Yes, I am. Anyway, back to the video. There's a set of steps, like stairs that you can go down to the coast to. That is... we're going there. We are going there. The tide's out, so... Hey, okay. Let's fucking scramble. That is the entrance to the stairway to down there, and we are going there. Well, turns out these stairs are actually for the church doors, which is interesting. May I say, there is a lot of steps. All from up there is just all steps. And that's not unnerving at all. Down we go. It is church doors. Church Door Coves is a small, curved beach which is home to a colossal door-shaped archway, which has been cut into the cliffs by none other than the ocean itself. When standing in front of the opening, it's hard to believe that something so solid can be moulded and destroyed by the ocean. But imagining how long the ocean has been clashing with the rock face, this is a first-hand experience of Mother Nature at its finest. This place is by far one of the best places I have ever been. And to think that this is in the UK, granted I am right on the coast, but it is so worth it. I know I'm here to see this cave, like this church doors thing, but even just the surrounding area, it just makes it, if and when you come here, and I implore you to come here, make a day of it, see the surrounding villages, see the surrounding places, but come here and explore everything. I can't explain how I feel about this place, but it is phenomenal. There's nowhere else like it that I've been yet. But
I got no words to how amazing this place is. Just everything about it, the beach, the rock faces, the walks that surround it, even just the weather. It's just perfect in every single way possible.
Now that I've shown you the main attraction, let's take a walk along the coastal path but back in the other direction, past the car park. As mentioned earlier, there is so much on offer to see, so stay tuned for some more amazing coastal views.
Yeah, good stick that. It's pretty good though. Ooh. So there's a set of stairs there, as you can see, but it looks like they go into that little cove here. So we're gonna go in there. But there's also a path, and here that looks like it goes into that, whatever that is. So we're gonna go up there, across there, and down there, and in there.
Just for clarity, I did not go up there, across there, down there, or into whatever that was.
That's the plan. So, yeah. just a tyre, a welly, and actually another good stick. There's a few of these sticks right now, pretty decent. Good stick. I'm losing my mind. I'm getting excited about a stick.
When travelling to a coastal area and exploring places, be mindful of the tidal times. Do keep in mind that the sea is a beast all unto itself. I will have a link below to a website where you can search the tidal times of anywhere you may be travelling.
Is that a cave? We're having a look at that. I'm gonna go there, though. Huh. fucking uncharted shit, this. Well, if the tide comes in, we can still get back safely. So. Please be treasure. Please be deep cave. Please be Alden Brink. Holy fuck, this is sick. Well, we got a bit of time yet before the tide really comes in. What the fuck? As far as it goes, someone's got plastic around here. Beautiful. As I love architecture, nothing quite beats natural architecture. Only problem is, look at this. It's plastic and rubber. I'm guessing it gets washed up and caught.
When travelling to the coast, please take any litter with you and be mindful of your environment. There are links below on how to get to the church doors as well as parking, but also some additional information on the surrounding area. And with that, thanks for watching.